Hello children, now we will start the new lesson of EVS, lesson number 9, air. Now look at the book. Lesson number 9, air, A-I-R, air. What are the people in the pictures doing? See, she is blowing the balloon. Then he is filling air in the tire. Here is also the same case. That means what is air? Take water in a big container. एका बकेटमध्ये पाणी घ्या आणि एक त्याच्यात एम्प्टी कंटेनर असं पालथं तुम्ही आत बुडवायचे. टेक अ स्मॉल नॅरो कंटेनर लाईक मग, प्लास्टिक मग. होल्ड इट अपसाइड डाऊन उलटं टाकायचे ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द वॉटर अँड विदाउट टिल्टिंग इट म्हणजे तिरपं न करता स्ट्रेट असं खाली पुश करा. पुश इट डाऊन इन टू द वॉटर. नाव अलाव इट टू टिल्ट म्हणजे तिरपं करायचं. नाव सी, वॉट डू यू सी? बबल्स राईज ॲट वन्स टू द टॉप. एअर इज लाइटर दॅन वॉटर. Air is lighter than water. So air bubble rise to the top as soon as the container is tilted. It means that there was air even in the container that appeared to be empty. जरी आपल्याला एम्प्टी दिसलं कंटेनर तरी त्याच्या आतमध्ये एअर असते. एअर इज एव्हरीवेअर. देअर इज एअर ऑल अराउंड अस. इट इज प्रेझेंट इवन इन द प्लेसेस that appear to be empty. Though we think the space is empty, then also air is present in that empty place. Then how far around us does air spread? Take a large sheet of any waste paper or obtain old newspaper of about 1 month and tear each of the sheet into 4 pieces. Now place these sheets of paper one at a time in a pile on the floor. As the pile grows, observe the difference that can be seen in the layer of the paper at the top of the pile and those near the floor. असे एकावर एक ढीग करायचं आहे. म्हणजे त्या पीस ऑफ न्यूजपेपरचे असे ढीग करायचे. When all the sheets have been placed, observe the difference in the upper and lower layers of paper. What do you see? As we place more and more papers on the pile, the sheets of the lower level are pressed down by the sheet above them. The distance between the papers and the lower part of the pile becomes less, while the papers in the upper part appears to be further apart. What does this tell us? The nearer a sheet of paper is to the floor, the greater is the number of papers above it. It means that the lower layer bear more weight than the upper layer of paper. Compared to that upper layer bear less weight. द ॲटमॉस्फिअर. आता लक्षात आलं का? आपण ज्यावेळेस एकावर एक पेपरचा ढीग ठेवतो त्यावेळेस जो खालचा पेपर असतो त्याच्यावर जास्त वेट पडलेलं असतं आणि वरच्या पेपरवर त्या कम्पेअरने कमी वेट असतं. नाव द ॲटमॉस्फिअर. द अर्थ ऑन विच वी लिव्ह इज राऊंड इन शेप. Earth is round in shape like a ball. There is air all around the earth. This covering of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Covering of air around the earth. Covering of air around the earth is called atmosphere. As we go further from the earth, the layer of air become thinner. That is, the layers of air closest to earth are very close to each other, while the one at higher level are not so close. The air at greater height is rare. लक्षात आलं का? अर्थच्या जवळ, जमिनीच्या जवळ एअर जी असते ती थिक असतात. ते लेयर जे असतात ते एकदम क्लोज असतात, एकावर एक असतात, त्यामुळे थिक असतात. आणि जसजसं आपण वर जातो, हायर हाईटला जातो, तसतसं ती एअर थिनर होत जाते. Take a slightly deep dish like a saucer. Stand a candle at its end. Fill water in the dish. Light the candle. Now place the glass tumbler over the candle. What do you see? Soon the candle goes out and the level of water inside the tumbler rises a certain level. लक्षात आलं का काय करायचं? आता तुम्ही स्कूलमध्ये असता तर आपण ही सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज बघितल्या असता. स्कूल सुरू झाल्यानंतर आपण पुन्हा ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज तुम्हाला दाखवू. एक प्लेट घेतली आहे, तुम्ही तोपर्यंत घरी करून बघितली तरी चालेल. एक प्लेट घ्यायची, त्यामध्ये थोडं पाणी घेतलं आहे, कॅन्डल लावली आहे. कॅन्डल सुरू करायची, आपण पेटवायची आहे आणि त्यानंतर एक ग्लास त्याच्यावर काचेचा पालथा घालायचा आहे. मग ते केल्यानंतर काय होतं, थोड्या वेळाने कॅन्डल आपोआप विझते आणि विझल्यानंतर हे जे खाली तळाला पाणी असतं ते थोडं वर जातं. तर ते कशामुळे जातं, तर काही वेळाने यातली जी एअर असते ग्लासमधली ती यूज केली जाते बर्निंगसाठी आणि बर्निंगसाठी यूज केल्यानंतर ती कमी होते, ऑक्सिजन त्यातला कमी होतो. संपल्यानंतर ती एअर कॅन्डल बंद होते आणि त्यानंतर जी ती एम्प्टी स्पेस तिथे तयार होते त्यामध्ये ते वॉटर वर जातं. म्हणजे तो जो एरिया असतो तो वॉटरने फिलअप केला जातो. नाव सी. Soon the candle goes out and the level of the water inside the tumbler rises a certain level. Why does this happen? Now look here. One of the constituent of air helps burning. Which constituent? Oxygen. Oxygen helps burning. As it gets used up, water rises in the tumbler. When that constituent is finished, the candle goes out. The water level to stop rising. This constituent of air that helps burning is called oxygen gas. The Earth's atmosphere is made of air. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide the circle into 5 equal parts, then the oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the पार्ट. एक सर्कल आहे, त्याचे जर आपण इक्वल 5 पार्ट्स केले तर त्या 5 पार्ट्समधला एक पार्ट म्हणजे ऑक्सिजनचा असतो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑक्सिजन देअर आर अदर गॅसेस इन द ॲटमॉस्फिअर. विच कुड दोज बी? द ऑक्सिजन इन द एअर इज यूज्ड both for burning as well as respiration. We use oxygen for respiration. Which are the other uses of air you know about? You have learned that the gas that fizzes out of the soda water is carbon dioxide. This gas is present in small quantities in air too. You have also learned that plants make their food using air and water in the presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use the carbon dioxide from air. So, one constituent is oxygen, the second is carbon dioxide. You have seen that when you place ice in glass and it becomes very cold, droplets of water settle on its outside. It means that water too is present in the air in the form of gas. However, the largest part of air is made up of still another kind of gas. This gas is called as nitrogen. One part is nitrogen. Thus, there are several gases present in the air. In other words, air is mixture of several gases. Air is a mixture of several gases. Now, if we draw a circle to represent air, then the quantity of each gas in the mixture will be as shown alongside. This part is oxygen. The remaining this much part is nitrogen, and the very small quantity, the very small space is there. This is for other gases. The burning that takes place in factories, vehicles, stoves, kitchens, etc. gives out smoke. This smoke too mixes with the air around us. Now, what we have learned, air is present all around us, even in places that appear to be empty. There is covering of air all around the earth. It is called the atmosphere. The layer of the air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layers are rarer. Air is mixture of several gases. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapor are its main constituents. Fuels like coal, petrol and diesel give out smoke while burning, which mixes with the air. This can cause ill health.